It's 3 in the morning. I can't sleep, and my appointment's not until 9 a.m. Hi, I'm sitting in the parking lot of the Explorist.Life installation space. Here I am, waiting for my appointment. I am really early. I needed to move all my stuff in the back of the van, I'll show you, so that they could get to the electrical system. Fun. As you can see, there's my window covers, there's my rug, my generator, my trash can, and my bucket for my water for a shower. The totes that are normally in the back, and everything is ready for them to look at. I've just dropped off my house. They're gonna take a look at it. Sharpie and I are gonna walk to the airport. Okay, Sharpie and I are laying around. Can't see him, he's being camera shy. Been laying around in this van for a couple of hours while they do the work. We walked to the airport. There's nothing really to see. We walked back. We were tired. We came back, just hung out in the van while they worked in the van. They found it, and you won't believe it. Do you see this wire right here? Of course you do. Well, this wire, sorry about that, this wire was loose and it was rubbing. It was just sitting on here. So that was the problem. I drove 1,500 miles, actually 1,700 miles, to get this loose wire fixed. And the smell that I smelled was actually a little fire that had started under here, some resistance. And yeah, that was so expensive of a wire fix, but it is fixed now and everything is not shaking anymore like it was, and we're gonna hope that that does the trick. So now here I am in Oregon, which is further away from my house than I was when I originally started my trip, but the people at Explorist.Life were so wonderful and so nice, so knowledgeable, and it was just the best experience. I feel completely safe now. They replaced that wire that almost caught on fire, and yeah, everything is coming up Michelle today. And I say that was an expensive fix, but I also learned something. Let me show you that. Okay, so on the bottom of this inverter back here, and this is an inverter charger, there's a rocker switch. And there's three positions, and I'm never sure which one to turn on. And I said to the guy, okay, I need to have some kind of, because this is going to be covered up when I get home. I'm going to build a wall here. I hate saying that because it reminds me of something else, but I'm going to build an enclosure here to keep my electrical system safe from the water that I'm going to put over here on my shower on this side. I said I need some kind of remote switch to turn this on and off. And he says, no, you don't. Right here on my panel, I can go right into the settings here and turn it on and off right here. I don't even need to turn it on anytime unless I am trying to run shore power, or I am running an outlet in here, which I have one outlet that I hardly ever use. Yay! That was so exciting. Thanks for being with me. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.